Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. And in this video, we're going to see vacancies for freshers candidates. I know a lot of people are waiting for the freshers vacancies because this is the time where companies are currently hiring right now because we are seeing the hype for the freshers candidates. So a lot of companies are currently hiring now, especially in pharma industry, both IT as well as industry. So if you are one of them looking for a job opportunity, then this is the right platform where you can get all the job updates, and you can also visit our website pharmajobwallet.in, where we post the job updates regularly. And in this channel also we're going to post job updates daily, so don't forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell icon. And my dear friends, in this video we're going to see vacancies for freshers candidates from the company Hetero for the role of junior chemist and also technician. So let us see the complete details in this video, the qualification, the walk-in interview details completely, and the venue of the walk-in interview also. And this is all, my dear friends. And if any of your friends are looking for a job vacancy, then don't forget to recommend our channel, because we're going to tell you wherever the opportunities are available through our website and through this channel. So let's get started.
So, my dear friends, here you can see the walk-in interviews for freshers from the company Hetero. So, the interview venue is Hetero Corporate Office, Industrial Estate, opposite Police Station, Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. So, the walk-in is on 5th March, Sunday, timings 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Coming to the requirements, the department, quality control or quality assurance, the qualification, M.sc, organic or analytical, integrated or inorganic or industrial or instrumentation. The experience required is freshers candidates. The designation is trainee. And the next department is production, B.sc, B.com or B.A candidates, freshers. So the role is junior chemist. And maintenance department, ITI fitter or diploma mechanical, freshers candidates for the role junior technician. So the age must be below 25 years only are eligible. So these are the details, my dear friends. If you like the information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also share this information and tell us if you have any doubts, and if any of you got the job, so please let us know. It will make us happy. Thank you.